Hi, Mark Bartlett here, Regional Director for WoodWorks. I'm here today to talk to you about a really interesting project, the new Hutton headquarters in Wichita, Kansas. Back in 2018, I was contacted by Matt Byrum, the architectural team leader with Hutton, to do a lunch and learn at their office covering the topic of mass timber construction. Hutton was considering building their new Wichita headquarters with cross-laminated timber, but it would be their first mass timber project. Ultimately, they decided to proceed with mass timber, and long story short, they completed their new office last year. I got the opportunity to visit the site in early 2020, and now I thought I would check back in with Matt and find out what they learned throughout the design and construction process. Welcome, Matt. Thanks for talking with me today.
You're welcome, Mark. Glad to be here with you.
Good. So my question is, how did you first learn about mass timber, and how did you educate yourself on the material?
When we started developing this project, I talked to a friend, an old college buddy of mine who had some experience and ran across a mass timber project and said it was really intriguing and unique. From there, we naturally went to the internet and did some research, which is where we came across WoodWorks. And then I believe then we reached out to you to kind of get an understanding of exactly what is this product. And then, of course, you came up and gave us a lunch and learn, kind of a mass timber 101 or intro to mass timber, as I remember it. And we just really decided that this was something that we wanted to pursue.
Excellent. So what was your major factor in choosing mass timber?
We decided early on that, we really wanted something that was unique. Definitely to this region. We wanted something that would highlight Hutton's innovative and kind of forward-thinking approach. We didn't just want to do a traditional steel building. And so when we started looking at the warmth and the beauty of the mass timber and all the other benefits, our leadership team made the conscious decision to go forward with it.
Excellent. So where did the project go better than you thought, and where were some of the unexpected hurdles?
From the detailing component and working with our vendor supplier and their engineers and the 3D models and kind of detailing that we got from them, I was really kind of blown away with that. It made coordination great. That was a positive aspect. The vendor was very helpful with us in budgeting and kind of helping to figure out how we could optimize certain areas and in other ways that we may want to think about. Probably our biggest hurdle or challenge was we didn't know what we didn't know. This was our first foray into mass timber, and so educating ourselves along the way with, of course, the obvious learning curve. And then we struggled for a long time making the decision on whether to go full design supply or design assist. And once we kind of put all those to bed, then it went smooth and quick.
Excellent. So how would you compare the construction process compared to a non-mass timber building?
Well, I was surprised just how easily everything went together and quickly. I mean, I kind of equated it. It swings like red iron, and the CLT panels swing like precast. And then, it's just screwing and bolting wood pieces together. And it went very quick once, when we got the stuff on site and we're able to get it off the truck and the erectors were able to start putting it together. I was amazed at just how quick and easy it seemed to go together, really.
Good. So now that you've moved into the building, what do you think of it?
We absolutely love it. Our clients love it. Not only the folks working here, but our other team members from across the state love it when they come in, to the home office. Again, I can't say enough about just the aesthetics and the warmth that it gives off. It's kind of funny, though. It's funny to watch my coworkers' faces as they hear it kind of snap, crackle, and pop a little bit. And wood's a natural product, and we had conversations about the way it goes together, but everybody loves it, and they're using parts of the building that we hoped they would, but we didn't know if they would. And they've really spread out and found other parts of the areas of the building to work away from their workstations as because of some of the aesthetics that these areas bring.
Good. That's excellent. Like, love to hear that about the biophilic response to wood. So.
Yeah, it's a
All right.
natural product, right?
Yeah, yeah. Well, Matt, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today. I really appreciate it, and good luck on your next project.
Thanks. Looking forward to it. Can't wait to do another.
Great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
So, if you're considering mass timber for your next project, feel free to reach out to your local WoodWorks regional director. Our contact information can be found on our website at woodworks.org. Our project support is free, whether you are an architect, engineer, contractor, or developer. Until next time, stay safe.